She loves it. You like to eat papaya? I didn't know that. Okay, finish it. It's alright. Take your time. Where's your sister? Where's your sister? It's okay. She's at the back playing. Oops, my hand. She's looking for insect. Ooh, you love it? Hi! You wanna come and join here? Eat the papaya? Come up here. Come up here. Come on. Come up here. Jump. Jump. You wanna jump? Okay, come on. Jump here. Good. Okay. Eat the papaya. Ah, you like the papaya too? No? Ah. Said no. No way I eat the papaya. What the heck? Ah. Okay. Look what she's doing. Scratching, scratching, scratching. Oh, this one is eating the papaya. Do you love it? Hi, any comment? Do you like it? You like it? You like it? Okay, just take your time. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Yummy. Why your sister doesn't like to eat papaya? Huh? Do you know why? You don't know why? It's alright. You love it. You love it. It's okay. You have enough? Ah. Good girl. Give me high five. High five. Give me high five. You understand high five or not? Hey, give me high five. No? You don't understand high five. Oh. Okay. Finish.